So you've been studying the law of attraction. You've read tons of books, watched mountains and mountains of YouTube videos. You've talked to your friends. You've done everything you could possibly do, and yet things are still not working out. Here are 6 terrible, and I do mean terrible, mistakes that people make when it comes to manifesting. If you're just making one of these mistakes, you may be costing yourself the manifestation that you desire and the manifestation you deserve. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is about. It's about your dreams and your goals. We believe you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend upon. Thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell icon. But also, don't forget our Facebook page, Law of Attraction Solutions. We're going live there on a regular basis. Agnes is with us, Sheena, Rachel. We're all going live. We're answering questions. We're putting up tons and tons of content on Law of Attraction Solutions on Facebook. So be sure and come and follow us there as well. 6 terrible, terrible manifesting mistakes that you can make when it comes to the law of attraction. The first one is that you are suffocating your inner power. You're lacking confidence. You don't believe in your inner power. You don't believe that you have the ability to manifest the life that you desire. And so you suffocate your inner power and it begins to dwindle and it loses its ability to operate at a higher vibration. Number 2, you're living in a state of want, a state of need. You see, when you want, it means that you don't have. It means that you're living without hope rather than faith, trying rather than doing. Doing is so much more important. You just do, you don't try. You live in a world of positive expectations rather than hoping, rather than needing, rather than wanting. Well, high flyers, number 3 is that you begin to compare yourself to other people. You don't know what challenges other people have had, and they don't know what challenges you've had. You're not on the same track. You're not on the same boat. They've had a different set of circumstances and challenges than you have had. And so also, if you want to look at it this way, they may be further down the road. They may have been doing or planning or creating what they're doing much longer. So never compare yourself to another person. You're a diamond. You're a star in the sky. There's nothing like you. Nobody can compare to you. It's like YouTube. There are a number of people that talk about the law of attraction. But nobody, if you want the kind of message that Robert Zink gives, then the only place you're going to get that is from Robert Zink. But if you want the message that other people give, you'll find it there. So there's no comparison. They do what they do. I do what I do. And it's that way in every area of life. I like what Christopher Walken said. He said, there's not a lot of roles for a character like a Christopher Walken. But if you want Christopher Walken, I'm the only one that can do Christopher Walken. And I believe that. You're the only one that can do you. Be unique. Be yourself. You know, follow your own journey, your own path. Because when you do that, then some people say, hey, that's not for me. But others say, that's exactly what I'm looking for in life. So never compare yourself to others. Plus, it puts you, it can put you in a very down state, a very lower vibrational state. This is not a race. If it was a race, we'd all live the same number of years. We'd all have the same obstacles. It's not a race. It's your path. It's your journey, high flyers. Number 4 is that you're spending too much time listening to your fears, your doubts, your limiting beliefs. And I know I hear people say, well, Robert, I'm trying not to. Well, there's that trying word again. You know, I don't want to. There's that wanting word again. You either decide to listen to your limiting beliefs, your fears, your doubts, your anxieties, or you decide to say, cancel that thought, and you decide to listen to your optimistic, positive, resourceful beliefs. The choice is yours. It's that easy. Well, high flyers, number 5 is very important. There really is no attraction without action. You need some kind of action in your life, even if it's just meditation. That's action because you're creating vibration, and vibration is movement. So when people say there is no action necessary, that's really a stretch on things. There is no attraction without action. It's that simple. But look at, I'm not talking about just any kind of action. I'm talking about inspired action. Are you taking inspired action to move in the direction of your dreams and your goals? In other words, do you wake up in the morning and say, I just know this is what I need to do? When you feel that inner dynamic energy just saying, I know this is what I need to do, that's inspired action. But if you're not taking any action at all, that's one of the most terrible mistakes you can make when it comes to manifesting your dreams and your goals. Well, high flyers, number 6 is really important because here you have your desires and here you have your actions. They must be in alignment. Everything you do, everything you think, every belief you choose to believe, even every book you choose to read must be in alignment with your dreams and goals. If you have dreams and goals over here, but you're doing stuff over here, it doesn't make any sense. You're not congruent. You're not working within a state of harmony. And you're contradicting who you are and what you are. And that doesn't help you manifest your deepest desires. I hope these help you. Be sure and check us out on Facebook, Law of Attraction Solutions. And here's some videos that I know will help you on your journey.